Have you ever heard of residual income and wondered how you could create some for yourself? By becoming an agent for Nuvo Merchant Services, you will have that opportunity. Nuvo is the premier credit card processing company, trusted by businesses small and large. We handle transactions for small businesses processing $5,000 per month, retailers processing $25,000 per month, all the way to large organizations processing $3 million per month. We understand that credit card processing sounds confusing, so we are going to make this very simple and get you on your way to making a residual income in your spare time. Your role in the cycle is to reach out to a local business that is either looking to reduce their cost or find a provider that offers better service. Any business that accepts credit cards is your target. All you need to do is introduce Nuvo Merchant Services and collect their most recent credit card processing statement. Once the statement is collected, you will complete the jot form provided to you in the agent login and email it to Nuvo. Nuvo will conduct a cost-saving analysis, and they do this by analyzing the potential client's last month credit card processing statement to show them how much they could save by switching to Nuvo. Nuvo will send you this analysis, so you deliver this to your prospect. If the prospect is still interested in learning more, you will coordinate a time for a Nuvo representative to call them and answer any additional questions they may have, and have the prospect sign up for services. Once this meeting is set up, your part is done. The only time you will need to be involved is if there is a problem with Nuvo connecting with the client. That's it. Nuvo will do all the heavy lifting, and you simply have to repeat this process until you reach your financial goals. If you are interested in creating a residual income, monetizing your personal contacts and relationships, please fill out your information below and get access to our agent portal where you can view agent training videos.